Samsung Galaxy Flip 7. So in this video we're going to talk about this mobile. It is coming as a successor for the Samsung Galaxy Flip 6. In this mobile you will find a 6.9 inches of bigger display, almost 7 inches of display, 6.98 inches. So it is a 7 inches of 120 Hz refresh rate AMOLED display, and it is going to be a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection display, and it is also comes with a HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support also. For the when it is in folded orientation, it comes with a 4 inches of display, and it is also going to be a 120 Hz refresh rate AMOLED display. And when we talk about this mobile's processor, there are rumors like this mobile might come with the Exynos processor, but now it is confirmed that this mobile is coming with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is an 3nm based octa-core 5G processor. When I say 5G, yeah, it does comes with almost 17 bands of 5G. And this mobile is coming with Android version 15 out of the box with One UI 7 or even later at that moment of time. And when we talk about this mobile's variants, yeah, this is available in different variants like 12GB256, 12/512 and 16/512 variants. So these are going to be UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. When we talk about this mobile's cameras, the rear we can find 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera and a 12 megapixels of ultra wide, 12 megapixels of periscopic, possibly 3 cameras this time. For the front, it comes with a 16 megapixels of front-facing selfie camera. With the back, you can shoot up to 8K 30 FPS. Yes, and also this mobile comes with a when we talk about the battery, there are rumors like this mobile might comes with a 500 milliamp hours of huge battery, and it also support up to 67 watts of fast charge through wire. Unfortunately, this year also we will not see the other features in this battery section. And when we talk about the other features of this mobile, like it is a complete glass and metal build, this mobile also comes with a IP69 water and dust resistant feature also. This mobile comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, everything, compass and everything. When we talk about this mobile's multimedia, it does comes with a stereo speakers, but there is no 3.5mm jack in this mobile. And this mobile comes with a side mounted fingerprint scanner instead of in-display one, I think. And this mobile, when it comes to the availability, this mobile might release by the end of this month or by the start of the next month. And when we talk about this mobile's colors, this mobile will be available in lot of colors. I will leave the colors in the description box down below with the expected price this mobile is going to launch. That is almost like 1,39,000 rupees or 1,45,000 rupees, in that between that range this mobile might releases. So that's all about this mobile. And so this is all about the mobile. If you like this video, hit the like button and also the subscribe button.